Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go stop ping on the notification bell. Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go stop ping on the notification. NEWLINKs, top vlogger. Big up NEWLINKs cause him a top vlogger. Vlogging it.
Bless up my viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself. You don't know the thing going on, man. You don't know, so the attacking bosses here, NEWLINK from NEWLINK Production, my people. And we still say happy holidays to each and every one. So you know, so from the other day, my people, couple story happening, and boy, I know so not see the attacking boss cover them, my people, because we're on a relaxing mode, people, on a real level, you know what I mean? So for them few days, I could cover, you know, rest in peace to Bob Marley, grandson who drop out, my people, you know what I mean? Rest in peace to the big bad producer, Bounty Killer, Linky who drop out CM and DJ also, you understand? Promising DJ and things. So you don't know, a few people drop out in a car accident over the Christmas time that to hotel work and thing. Rest in peace, my condolences to all family and thing. See? But what drive me if you come back here now, my people, and forward here now, and really vlogging and attacking now, my people, is to see now a talented young Jamaican, my people, show him life. Like, I'm not going to say show him life away, my people, but boy, I don't even know how to fix this. Alright, drop in NEWLINK. So, this youth now, my people, who's a footballer, you understand? Promising young youth, young footballer, my people, who played for Waterhouse FC, that are the Jamaica Premier League, my people. Devante Walker, talented, promising midfielder. You know what I mean? Very talented youth. But now, my viewers and subscribers, news is releasing is that Devante Walker now, this guy is in police custody, my people. You understand? And you want go on now? So them say Devante Walker stays a boom now. Circle one of them teammate, my people. You understand? One of them teammate who play soccer with Waterhouse FC. And at gunpoint, my people, hold him up with gun, demand and take him check from him, my people. So him check what him get pay. Because him get him pay now, my people. And the other one who get him pay now, so at gunpointing, go for him, my people, demand and take him check from him. The matter was reported to the police, my people. So investigations was carrying on this and that, my people. You understand? Because them a check and see. And after CCTV footage, you know who them see a cash the check? Oh my Burlo, my precious NEWLINK. Now Devante Walker that them see? Pan camera cash the check, my people. Eh? No. Pan a real level, people. This youth is a young youth. He might play football, yes. Me understand say Jamaica Premier League now give them the big summer money like we are getting at some top league. But this is what you start from and we are going to drive you, because once you have your talent and you are going good, my people, that's how big club, you know, can see your talent and buy you, you know. You know what I mean? Now you can reach USA, you can reach England, all over Europe, South America, different countries, all China too. You know what I mean, my people? I make money. But I don't know what flying at this youth head now, my people. If a lack of senses, lack of patience, or a mad or something, my people. But really and truly, youth, a dash your thing away, so, brother. Eh? Now you turn a criminal, brother. Now you turn a criminal. Because if I say really going to like how them reported, so you demand the man check at gunpoint, you personally, if you have no accomplice with you, I don't know, but you personally, and then you them see pan camera footage gone cash check. Brother, one thing me I tell you, man, yes, if I really say go a straight attack for you, you Devante, me see a straight attack for you, yes, a worthless Ross. Jaja sees, Jaja knows, sorry for my language, my people, but a real thing, eh? How can you have such a talent? I've seen the boy play ball, my people. I've seen the boy bouncing the ball round and round. Eh? And when me see, you know this youth go far. You know this youth got the potential. Eh? Promising. You hear the word of them use all over. Promising young footballer Devante Walker. You know what that mean, my people? He's promising. He's talented. You understand? He can do a lot. Eh? But to see what the youth do to himself, you know, my viewers and subscribers, Jaja sees, Jaja knows. Attack him, NEWLINK, attack him. Eh? Youth of Jamaica, let me tell you something. I don't know what wrong with some of you, but you need to wise up. You need to have sense. And you hear me some people because I know some people tell you know NEWLINK a lie, them a tell pan, them set him up. Yeah, that's one of the biggest talk too. But sometimes we have some of them who are bad too. Them fool. You understand? So the youth reported, say him hold him up, my people. That's the report that was made. The police never go for him same time, you know. The police comes up and them investigate it and them watch it. And them get to find out and see where. You understand? Him come say, man, I cash the check. We are dealing with banks check, you know. Me make the upset. One thing me can tell you, youth, you dash everything away. You understand? You dash your potential away. You dash your career away. You dash everything away. And honestly, you know, me that love somebody can look into it. You know what I mean? And do something and give you another chance or something. I would love that. You understand? But in that midst of era, brother, you messed up big time. You messed up big time. And right now, it's trouble for you. It's problem for you. You know what my granny that say? Pray for him. Give him another chance. But my viewers and my subscribers, what you all think? Eh? He deserve another chance, people. Yes, everyone do deserve a second chance, people. You understand? Everyone do on a real level. And I would never say he don't deserve another chance, people. But on a real level, this youth throw everything away, my viewers and subscribers. Everything him throw away. You know what I mean? And on a real level, look, you know. Waterhouse decide to kick him now. Because number one, my people, this now gonna be not temporary something, you know. You understand? This is gonna be permanent termination, my people, because you can't do this thing against your own team member. That's what them are gonna look into. Next thing, you're a member, bro, of a football club, the top league in Jamaica, representing youth. You know what I mean? And if you say you get caught up in something like this, you know, as me as a people, this is the report what they give. This is what put out on the media, on the news, everything. But you know what me that say? Me that hope saying and pray say, yo, you know go like how them say go. You know what I mean? Because me can't believe say this is really real. And I saw a talented youth. You know what I mean? We are looking at a youth who can be the next Leon Bailey. You get what me ask my viewers and subscribers? The next Raheem Sterling. And fly high out there. Raise up your family, make your family proud. You know what I mean? Bring in a lot of cash, money. The out there in a youth. Me say them and me tell the youth them, have patience, youth. Maybe it not happen today, maybe it not happen tomorrow, but just have patience, youth. Be determined, trust in the Almighty, youth, and the process is there. You know what I mean? Giving yourself time. But when you not force and push things, youth, and I get bad mind and I envy, you know what I mean? It a come on to Christmas now, it a come on to New Year, me want impress my girl with this, me promise her this, and this are the method when I go choose, youth. It's just sad. It's sad, my people. But only just sees that he knows. I'm praying for all my youths in Jamaica and all over the world, the Caribbean, you know. You know what I mean? I'm praying for you all youths. Because, yo, youths, there's a future out there for we know say a lot of things that they against us as get to youth. But, yo, youth, I can't believe, yo. I can't believe. But people, big up on yourself, man. I don't know, more love, more respect, and more blessings, you know. Thanks to the love, thanks for the support, the like, the share, and every comment to people. And just know, say, I want team, and I want gym, and I want scheme, and I want attacking boss. And please remember to do like, do share, do comment, and do subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook and Twitter, NEWLINK Production Official Attacking Boss. Peace out, my people. Devante Walker, may I pray for your youth. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. Oh my pearl, oh my precious NEWLINK. Can't believe, sir. Jaja knows.